So in this particular video, I will show you how to create upsell flow inside Klaviyo. I will show you the results that I got. As you can see clearly in the screen, that the result for one of my client that I'm working with. Plus, I will show you the exact copy that I have used to generate this results. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. So basically, why you should have to create upsell flow? It is simple to sell more orders in that particular time period. Let's say a customer bought from you, and when the customer has bought in this particular time period, they are very hot lead. Means if we can tell them, hey, you can buy additional products for this amount of, or if we give any discount, or if we give any incentivize that, hey, these products are currently are selling fast, then we suggest you to buy more, because we don't know that whenever, like, when these products will come back, and we suggest you to buy this product. So basically the whole motive for upsell flow is just to sell more products. Okay. And show you the results. Here is the results for one of my client that I work with. 80% open rate, 10% click-through rate, 1% place order rate. Again, this metrics depends on brand to brand, but this is one of my clients' results that I'm showing you. And for this particular flow, you have to use it when someone placed an order, and you have to send this email after 25 minutes. You can try it, you can send it immediately, you can test it, uh, you can test it for 10 minutes, after 25 minutes you can just A/B test and see according to a brand how it performs. But basically I have ran a couple of tests in this account, and after 25 minutes was the best. I got the result. And talking about the copy, here is the exact copy that I use. Okay, so sender name is founder name plus brand name. Don't send just brand name. Also send founder name, because it makes personal. Okay. And regarding subject line, it is RE shipping. uh, as you know that they have already placed an order, and if they saw an email from founder plus a subject line with shipping, there is high chance that they will open the email. And due to this, we have 80% open rate due to subject line and the sender name. And as this email will be plain text, so there will be no preview text. And why plain text? Because we want to make this email as personal as possible. If you send design email, then people are not dumb, like, they know that the design email are not personal. And if you send plain text email, there is a high chance that they will believe that, hey, this email is from founder, and this is very personal email, and they will think that, hey, this email has written personally for me. So in this copy, let me show you what I did. So greetings from founder, and then we have add one another character named Philip, who is their warehouse manager. So again, we are just personalizing it. Okay. And telling them, like, hey, your order is getting ready, but before we ship out, I want to see if you like to add any other thing in your order. And we tell them some benefits, that why you should place another order for from us. And also we tell them, hey, you will also get free shipping, since you already covered the shipping on your last order. And we just gave them a shipping code, so that they can use their checkout to get free shipping. And then one call to action, and then one small text that, hey, if you need any help, please reply to this email, and we are here to help. And then cheers, found name, company name. That's it. And how you set up this in inside Klaviyo. So let me show you. This is one of my dummy account. You have to go in the flows here, in this create flow. And after that, you just have to type post post. And here you have to select on this email, this dialog box, where it says post purchase bounce back. As you know, the trigger is placed order. And yeah, this is the exact template, that exact flow that I use. And just add timer and add the copy that I show you, and this will work like a charm. So yeah, that's the whole video. And if you want to work with me, in the description I have a link. So book a call with me, and let's see if I can help you or not. Peace.